Hi guys, welcome back. In this React.js video tutorial, we will learn how we can export the CSV file from the React.js, or this code is similar with the JavaScript also. So you can use it in this code in the JavaScript as well as in the React.js. So what we are going to achieve is here. So we will achieve this kind of CSV file. So let's get started. So here you can see that I have a kind of dummy JSON. Here is a for record with the name and email address. So here is the front end UI. You can see that on the click of export we will going to export this. So now I need a function which is export CSV. I'm going to start my code here. So here I need a two variable. First in CSV row. So we need the rows here. So let's first of all I want to show you that what is the concept and how we are going to convert this code into the CSV file. So first of all we need this record into the array format, like the first array will be this, the second array will be this, and third and fourth. And after that we have to convert these array to the string, and we need something the line end, and whenever we are going to end the line, it will push the data to the next row, and whenever it will get the comma, then it will put the data into the next column. So you can say that basically, so like if we have data something like that, like ID comma user, and now I have something like that. It's a percent OA. Alright, OA. Then it will after that this code will going to the next line. It will put the first column, it will put in the second column, and now it will change the row. So we have to convert the data in this format like this. So let's get started. So don't worry if you don't have to write the code by the line by line. You can get the code at the in the description, and after the understanding of the code you can easily change this. So first of all I need one more variable. I'm going to put the variable name very simple, like A. So here I have the array of array which is in the first array. We can say that here I'm going to use the ID comma name. So it's very simple. Alright, so now this is the first array. So now I need a for loop. Just take a var re and store here this dot state dot CSV data, and need a for loop where I have an item. I start with the 0, and item should be less than re dot length, and item should be increased up to the records. Alright, so now just push all the data in the A array. So into the array format. So first of all the first I'm going to put the item, so it will provide the user ID, and the second parameter is re and item dot name. Alright, so this loop will give you the array. So let's check the output here 4 ones. So let's check the array. We must have kind of 5 array. So we have the 5 arrays. You can see that first of the id and name, and now we have these array. So now after that we need to convert these array to the string. So all right, so now let's start with that. To push in the all this array to the inside a row. So let's start with one more for loop. So here I have a where I start with the 0 and this I less than this I will the less than we can say that a dot length, and now just need to the plus array. All right, so after that we need the CSV row. Where is the CSV row? CSV row dot push, and what we are going to push here, so we are going to push a, and the which one record of a is the ith record of a dot join, and by the comma. That means the every row have now string except to the array. So now let's console this one. And it have CSV row. So let's see is everything's fine or not. So now you can see that we have a single array and we have the string of this with the comma separated. So this is our first row, second row, third row, fourth row and fifth row. And now this is the last moment here. We have to all these rows separated by the line break. So now let's do this also. So now just take where you can put the CSV string. All right, and in this string we have the CSV row dot join, and with for the join we have to put the ampersand 0a. Why we put it? Because this is the code of the line break, and now the old CSV is line break with the row. So now let's try to console it, and now all right, just console this one, and now you will see the result, the end of the every row we have this one. So now first one, second one, third one, fourth one and fifth one. So is it fine or not? Yes, this is fine. So now just take a one more variable, which is the var a, whatever you want to take, and write here document dot create element, and put the name of the element a. That means we are going to create an anchor tag. All right, that a dot href will be data dot attachment file CSV, by CSV you can say that, plus CSV string. So this was the href tag, and a dot target will be blank. All right, and now this is the last two things, which is the a dot download will be the file name, and we can put the file name like this. Oops. Download equal to test file dot csv. All right, and now the document dot body dot append child should be a. All right, so we attach the a tag with the body now, and now a dot click. All right, so let's after all these things, let's check it's working fine. So here we have the CSV. Oops, we got something else. So let me check. Once the going wrong here, I'll get back to you within a second. So actually we have a problem with that. We have to use data colon attachment, and here we have to just use a single column because it's effect with a string. So all right, so now let's try once again. These files and just put the click on here, and now let's see. So what the hell is going? Just remove once again. So let's see. Just put the comma here also. So just try to put it, and here you can see that we got the ID and name properly. So you can see it here. So let's add one more column here if you want. Like I want to add here comma re item dot email. Then you have to put one more call here like email, and let's try it. Then we have to use the array in the proper way. All right, so let's see. Just remove it and export it once again, and let's see what's going on. So here you can see that we got the email also. So with that you can get the export. You can export and create and generate whatever you want to say that. We can do it from the JavaScript or React from the same code. So because this is the basic code of the React of the JavaScript. So if still have you any kind of confusion, you can put me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and if you have any kind of suggestion, then you can ask me on the comment box. Link description and code description is given in the description box. So thanks guys, thanks for watching this video.